Yoga is a great practice, especially during pregnancy, because it helps connect you to your body and your breath, which are incredibly important during birth. Many expecting people come to yoga, especially for the first time, because their doctors recommended it. It's a great way to get in touch with your body as it's growing and changing every day. Just remember, every pregnancy is different, so be sure to talk to your care provider before starting any new physical activity. So one of my favorite yoga poses is malasana. It is this really deep squat. It's really fabulous for opening up the hips and the pelvis. Not only in pregnancy can this be used, but also in labor. As the body is moving the baby down into the pelvis, this is going to create more space, which is what we want, to get the baby down and out. It can be done with an epidural or unmedicated, and you can use it even for pushing with the help of a squat bar. Lizard pose is another posture that's great for opening up the hips and the pelvis. It's great in labor. It helps get baby into an optimal fetal position. Keep the chest up, heart open, gaze up. If you need a little bit more intensity, you can bring the forearms down to the mat as well. Child's pose is a position you probably have thought of when you think of prenatal yoga. It's this really wonderful, relaxing, restorative pose that helps open the pelvis. I really encourage in child's pose everyone to just relax the jaw. The jaw and your pelvic floor are connected, so take this time to take a few deep breaths and relax. For a little added support, you can use a bolster under the chest or even a blanket folded between the thighs and the knees to create a little extra cushion there. Butterfly pose is another relaxing position. You can do this reclined or upright. I always encourage a foot massage because it's a great place to have access to your feet. Who doesn't love a foot massage? I really love to introduce butterfly pose in labor, especially with an epidural, because it can be done in a stationary position in the bed, and it's just allowing the pelvis to open and create more space for the baby to move down. Cat-cow are another two positions that are really wonderful for pregnancy because it helps allow the spine to create a little bit more movement and lubrication. It opens the chest as well as the pelvis. As you inhale, lift the chest and open the heart. Allow the belly to drop down just a little bit as the pelvis opens. On an exhale, hug baby in as you round the spine and look down towards your baby. Pigeon pose is one of my all-time favorite poses for pregnancy. A common discomfort is sciatic or piriformis pain. Your belly's growing, your hips are expanding, and so pigeon is going to allow you to just really sink into those muscles and allow them to relax away. You can use a bolster or pillows under the chest to create a little bit more space between yourself and the floor to accommodate your belly. Blocks or blankets are really wonderful under the hips to help lift you off a little bit if it's sinking down into this posture is too intense. I hope you enjoy practicing these yoga postures for an easier pregnancy and an easier labor.